Turnitin and GradeMark integration, Instructor setup. Before we look at the tool and how to use it, it is important to note that the Dropbox submission process for students does not change. In the initial steps, there are no indicators that Turnitin is enabled for a basket. The only indicator a student sees is the icon in the Out box after the document has been attached and submitted. To begin using Turnitin as an instructor, click on the Dropbox tool on the toolbar at the top of the course page. In the Dropbox, you'll see each Dropbox basket listed by name, the number of items in each basket's inbox, whether or not Turnitin is enabled for each basket, and buttons allowing you to edit or delete each basket. When you create Dropbox baskets in your course, Turnitin will not automatically be turned on for those baskets. Note that you can retroactively enable Turnitin after you've received papers in the Dropbox as well. To turn them on, simply click the Edit button for the appropriate basket. When you click Edit, you'll see a screen that enables you to click in a box to enable Turnitin for each basket. From this screen, you can enable Turnitin for all Dropbox baskets in the course. You can also create customized Turnitin settings for each basket. Note that if you are content with the default settings, you do not have to create any new settings. To create settings for each basket, click the Settings icon for the selected Dropbox basket. The first time you click on this icon, you will be asked to certify that you are more than 13 years of age and that you agree to the terms and conditions of the Turnitin user agreement. Once you have done both, click the I agree, continue button. On the next screen, you will be asked to provide an assignment title and a point value for the assignment, as well as a start date, a due date, and a post date. Again, note that you do not have to provide these dates. The system will default to the term start and end dates, which will enable you to use Turnitin without customized settings. However, it is important to note if you would like students to be able to see any comments that you make using GradeMark, a Turnitin feature, the due date and the post date should be adjusted. If they are left at the default settings, students will be unable to access comments made through GradeMark nor view their originality reports. At the bottom of the screen, there is an optional settings link. Clicking this link enables you to provide special instructions for the assignment, allows submissions after the due date if you've set one, determine whether you want to generate originality reports for the assignment, and select a time frame for the generation of these reports. Exclude bibliographic materials, quotations, and small matches from the similarity index, allows students to see the originality reports, and select various repository search options. For example, institution paper repository, student paper repository, or current and archived internet. You can also build and select rubrics for GradeMark. When you have finished making these selections, click Submit. You will be sent to the Turnitin workflow. Close that screen and you will be returned to your Edit Dropbox window. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen and you will return to your course Dropbox.